In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Grok Imagine not working. Let's get started. First, I open up a new tab on Google Chrome and type Grok into the search bar, then hit enter. I click on the first search result for Grok to open up the website. Now that the page has loaded, I move my cursor up to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the main Chrome menu. I scroll down this menu and select Settings, which opens up a new Settings tab. On the left sidebar, I click on Privacy and Security. From the options that appear in the middle of the screen, I click on Third-Party Cookies. I scroll down slightly on this page until I find the option labeled See All Site Data and Permissions, and click on it. This displays a list of all websites with stored cookies. I scroll down the list to find Grok.com and click on the trash can icon right next to it. A pop-up message appears asking me to confirm the deletion of site data and permissions for Grok.com, and I click the blue Delete button. With the data cleared, I switch back to the original Grok tab. A notification bar pops up at the top suggesting to reload the page to apply the updated settings, so I click the blue Reload button. The page refreshes, and I click the Accept All Cookies button on the banner at the bottom right. Next, I click on the Sign In button near the top right corner. The site begins redirecting me, and I wait a moment for the main interface to finish loading. To make sure everything is functioning normally on the backend, I open another new tab and type status.x.ai into the address bar, then hit enter. This brings me to the service status page, where I can see that there are no incidents declared and all live services show green, indicating they are fully operational and available. Satisfied that the servers are up, I return to the Grok tab. I navigate to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name, Diane May. A small pop-up menu appears, and I click on Help and FAQ. From the next set of options, I select Report Issue. A window titled Report an Issue opens up. First, I click on the Feedback Type drop-down menu and select Report Issue Bug. Now, I click inside the text box under Your Feedback to type out the specific details. I type, Hi Grok Support, I am experiencing an issue with Grok Imagine. It isn't working on my account and I can't generate any images. I've already tried refreshing and trying again, but the problem persists. Could you please look into this? Thank you. Once the message is complete, I click the black Send button at the bottom right of the window. A confirmation message appears at the top of the screen saying, Successfully sent an error report, and the form closes, returning me to the main chat interface. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.